Soundbites Academy. You have reached day 11 of our 30 days English Level Up Challenge for beginners. What is your favorite type of ice cream flavor?
What is your favorite type of ice cream flavor?
Which one is your bag?
Which one is your bag?
I'm really excited about the upcoming music album release.
I'm really excited about the upcoming music album release.
She is a beautiful lady with long hair.
She is a beautiful lady with long hair.
I love going to the theater to watch live performances.
I love going to the theater to watch live performances.
I enjoy writing in my journal as a way to express myself.
I enjoy writing in my journal as a way to express myself.
Learning English requires daily practice.
Learning English requires daily practice.
Do you want to join our party next Friday?
Do you want to join our party next Friday?
What is your favorite animal? Mine is a dolphin.
What is your favorite animal? Mine is a dolphin.
The concert was amazing. The band played all of my favorite songs.
The concert was amazing. The band played all of my favorite songs.
Today, I'm going to bake cookies with my mom. I love the smell of freshly baked goods.
Today, I'm going to bake cookies with my mom. I love the smell of freshly baked goods.
What is your favorite type of music? I enjoy listening to pop songs.
What is your favorite type of music? I enjoy listening to pop songs.
I live in a small town near the mountains with my family, owning a cozy restaurant selling fish and chips.
I live in a small town near the mountains with my family, owning a cozy restaurant selling fish and chips.
Do you have any siblings? How many brothers and sisters do you have? I look forward meeting them someday.
Do you have any siblings? How many brothers and sisters do you have? I look forward meeting them someday.
What's your favorite season of the year? Do you like spring, summer, autumn, or winter?
What's your favorite season of the year? Do you like spring, summer, autumn, or winter?
I have a cat named Max. He's very playful and loves chasing toys, also being naughty from time to time.
I have a cat named Max. He's very playful and loves chasing toys, also being naughty from time to time.
Can you tell me the time? I forgot to wear my watch today.
Can you tell me the time? I forgot to wear my watch today.
I enjoy swimming in the ocean because it's so refreshing on a hot day.
I enjoy swimming in the ocean because it's so refreshing on a hot day.
Have you ever traveled by train? It's a convenient way to explore different places.
Have you ever traveled by train? It's a convenient way to explore different places.
My best friend and I enjoy going to the park together. We have a lot of fun.
My best friend and I enjoy going to the park together. We have a lot of fun.
Are you good at playing any musical instruments? Can you play the piano or guitar?
Are you good at playing any musical instruments? Can you play the piano or guitar?
What's your favorite sport? Do you like soccer, basketball, or something different?
What's your favorite sport? Do you like soccer, basketball, or something different?
I love watching movies with my family on weekends. It's a great way to relax.
I love watching movies with my family on weekends. It's a great way to relax.
Can you help me find my keys? I seem to have misplaced them somewhere.
Can you help me find my keys? I seem to have misplaced them somewhere.
Reading books is my favorite pastime. It takes me to different worlds while sitting in my own bedroom.
Reading books is my favorite pastime. It takes me to different worlds while sitting in my own bedroom.
My favorite subject in school is science. I find it fascinating to learn about the world.
My favorite subject in school is science. I find it fascinating to learn about the world.
Do you have any pets? I have a dog named Bella. She's very friendly and loves to play.
Do you have any pets? I have a dog named Bella. She's very friendly and loves to play.
Yesterday, I went to the park with my friends, and we played soccer for hours until the sun started to set.
Yesterday, I went to the park with my friends, and we played soccer for hours until the sun started to set.
Can you please provide me with your email address so that I can send you the information you requested?
Can you please provide me with your email address so that I can send you the information you requested?
Today is such a sunny day that I decided to have a picnic in the park and enjoy the warmth of the sun on my skin.
Today is such a sunny day that I decided to have a picnic in the park and enjoy the warmth of the sun on my skin.
Ms. Brown is not only my teacher but also a mentor who inspires me to work hard and pursue my dreams.
Ms. Brown is not only my teacher but also a mentor who inspires me to work hard and pursue my dreams.
Are you free next week? I would like to invite you to join me for a movie night and have a great time together.
Are you free next week? I would like to invite you to join me for a movie night and have a great time together.
I woke up this morning and checked the weather forecast, and to my delight, it's going to be a bright and sunny day.
I woke up this morning and checked the weather forecast, and to my delight, It's going to be a bright and sunny day.
I'm planning to visit a new city soon, and I'm open to any suggestions or recommendations you might have.
I'm planning to visit a new city soon, and I'm open to any suggestions or recommendations you might have.
I'm really sorry for being late to our meeting. There was heavy traffic on the roads, and it caused a delay.
I'm really sorry for being late to our meeting. There was heavy traffic on the roads, and it caused a delay.
My mother told me that she is going to buy us a delicious cake to celebrate my little brother's birthday.
My mother told me that she is going to buy us a delicious cake to celebrate my little brother's birthday.
When I travel, I enjoy camping as it allows me to immerse myself in nature and disconnect from the busy world.
When I travel, I enjoy camping as it allows me to immerse myself in nature and disconnect from the busy world.
I have a passion for trying out new recipes in the kitchen and exploring different flavors and culinary techniques.
I have a passion for trying out new recipes in the kitchen and exploring different flavors and culinary techniques.
One of my favorite ways to relax and unwind is by watching sitcoms with my best friend and sharing laughter together.
One of my favorite ways to relax and unwind is by watching sitcoms with my best friend and sharing laughter together.
What's your favorite type of ice cream flavor? Mine is chocolate chip cookie dough with a drizzle of caramel sauce.
What's your favorite type of ice cream flavor? Mine is chocolate chip cookie dough with a drizzle of caramel sauce.
Excuse me, but I seem to have lost track of time. Can you remind me which bag is yours among these three?
Excuse me, but I seem to have lost track of time. Can you remind me which bag is yours among these three?
I can't wait for the summer vacation to arrive so that I can spend endless days at the beach, building sandcastles and swimming in the ocean.
I can't wait for the summer vacation to arrive so that I can spend endless days at the beach, building sandcastles and swimming in the ocean.
My dream is to travel the world and experience different cultures, taste exotic foods, and create unforgettable memories.
My dream is to travel the world and experience different cultures, taste exotic foods, and create unforgettable memories.
Learning a new language can be challenging, but with consistent practice and dedication, it opens doors to new opportunities and enriches your life.
Learning a new language can be challenging, but with consistent practice and dedication, it opens doors to new opportunities and enriches your life.
Every evening, I like to curl up on the couch with a good book, immersing myself in the captivating stories and letting my imagination soar.
Every evening, I like to curl up on the couch with a good book, immersing myself in the captivating stories and letting my imagination soar.
I'm really excited about the upcoming science fair at school, where I will be showcasing my project on renewable energy sources.
I'm really excited about the upcoming science fair at school, where I will be showcasing my project on renewable energy sources.
The holiday season is a time of joy and togetherness, filled with family gatherings, delicious feasts, and the warmth of giving and receiving gifts.
The holiday season is a time of joy and togetherness, filled with family gatherings, delicious feasts, and the warmth of giving and receiving gifts.
I enjoy going to the farmer's market on weekends, where I can purchase fresh fruits, vegetables, and locally sourced products.
I enjoy going to the farmer's market on weekends, where I can purchase fresh fruits, vegetables, and locally sourced products.
What's your favorite type of music? I find that listening to soothing classical melodies helps me relax and focus while studying.
What's your favorite type of music? I find that listening to soothing classical melodies helps me relax and focus while studying.
Yesterday, I had a delightful picnic in the countryside, surrounded by blooming flowers, chirping birds, and the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze.
Yesterday, I had a delightful picnic in the countryside, surrounded by blooming flowers, chirping birds, and the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze.
Attending a live sports event is an exhilarating experience, with the cheering crowd, the competitive spirit, and the electrifying atmosphere in the stadium.
Attending a live sports event is an exhilarating experience, with the cheering crowd, the competitive spirit, and the electrifying atmosphere in the stadium.
I recently started learning to play the guitar, and although it's challenging, the feeling of strumming the strings and creating melodies is incredibly rewarding.
I recently started learning to play the guitar, and although it's challenging, the feeling of strumming the strings and creating melodies is incredibly rewarding.
When I need some alone time, I retreat to my quiet corner at home, where I can indulge in my favorite hobbies, reflect on my thoughts, and recharge my energy.
When I need some alone time, I retreat to my quiet corner at home, where I can indulge in my favorite hobbies, reflect on my thoughts, and recharge my energy.
My favorite fruit is juicy and sweet watermelon. I love its refreshing taste, especially on a hot summer day.
My favorite fruit is juicy and sweet watermelon. I love its refreshing taste, especially on a hot summer day.
May I know her name? I am eager to get to know her better and strike up a conversation to build a new friendship.
May I know her name? I am eager to get to know her better and strike up a conversation to build a new friendship.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.